One more thing I forgot to do was do the flex plate bolts and see how they are, because they're a little rusty. That was like effortless right there. So I just take these out, remove the flex plate, and that's pretty much it. Don't want to lose those. Oh, awkward to do with one hand. There we go. So obviously on this one, same thing happened as the rear oil separator plate. Just leaks. And leaks on the back of the motor down here. Same thing, so I have a replacement cover for that. Okay, maybe this will work. I do it this way. These are kind of rusted. Using the Milwaukee M18. Used to my truck spinning. It's the Milwaukee M18 half-inch. That came out. Bolt definitely got hot too. Now that we got that one out, let's do the other one. This one will probably be just as equally hard. I know this thing is like really clipping on some level. And that's it. You got the mounting plate off, so you can change the engine mounts. Job well done. Oh, and battery level still full. This is my air impact in the electric one, cordless. Anybody that knows Harbor Freight, got the central pneumatic air gun. I've had it like 3 years. It's pretty good. Just I don't have my air compressor anywhere near here, so I just had to break down and get a cordless. The tools, they're about the same weight. You know, with the battery on the Milwaukee, it feels pretty much the same as the Harbor Freight one. Not as loud, that's for sure. But it hits pretty good. Once I start doing things that are hard, like the front crank seal, I mean front crank bolt, which is around like 150 foot-pounds, it'll be good to see how much force it really puts into the bolt.